Most amazing jellyfish species in the world. The cauliflower jellyfish is a large old world water jellyfish that is found in the Indo-Pacific and the Atlantic Oceans. They have a huge umbrella-shaped bell with a large diameter. The color of the bell ranges from blush purple to mauve. 8 arm-like tentacles extend from the bell, which is used to sting their prey. Sophia, also known as the crown jellyfish or cauliflower jellyfish, is a species of jellyfish in the family Sophiidae. It occurs in the tropical waters of the western Indo-Pacific to northern Australia. The species was first described by Peter Forskell in 1775 and was originally given the name Medusa sophia. The mangrove box jelly, Tripodalia cystophora, is one of the smallest jellies in the sea, growing to be only the size of a grape point too. But what's even more unique is its cube-shaped medusa, a notable deviation from the familiar dome silhouette of most jellies. Its distinct squareness allows the mangrove box jelly to move rapidly through the water. The mangrove box jelly lives in tropical mangrove forests in Central America. The larvae settle on mangrove roots and form polyps. Adult jellies live in between the roots of the trees, searching for copepods to eat. Mangrove forests are among the most threatened ecosystems on our planet. The bell of this large jellyfish may reach 50 centimeters in diameter. It is typically bluish-brown with many evenly distributed opaque white spots. It has 8 thick transparent branching oral arms which terminate with large brown bundles of stinging cells. With each pulse of their bells, white-spotted jellies consume the larvae and eggs of fishes and crustaceans. This not only impacts an ecosystem's reproductive capacity, it also reduces the food available to other species, as a single jelly can filter up to 13,200 gallons of water a day. Its brownish color is caused by symbiotic dinoflagellates living inside the jelly's tissues. By lying upside down, the jelly exposes its algae to the sun, allowing it to photosynthesize. The jelly can sustain itself off just the byproducts of the algae, and capture zooplankton for additional energy to grow. Upside-down jellyfish have a flattened bell so they can easily rest on sediment. The bell continuously pulses in order to push water over the jellyfish's tissue, providing it with oxygen and bringing food. The black sea nettle is considered a giant jelly. Its distinctive purplish bell can reach over 3 feet, 9 m, in diameter. Its lacy, pinkish mouth-arms can reach nearly 20 feet, 6 meters in length, and its stinging tentacles can reach 25 feet, 7.6 meters, or more. Most sea nettles have a standard medusa body type with a bell or round body and tentacles hanging from the bell. In the sea nettle, the bell may grow up to a foot across and the tentacles may reach a length of 10 meters, depending on the species. Fried egg jellyfish, sometimes also called egg yolk jellies, are jellyfish that sport a smooth translucent bell that has an elevated yolk yellow bell at the center. This distinctive bell is what gives this jellyfish their name, as it looks like a cracked egg floating through the water. Jellyfish have a gelatinous consistency and their tissues are 95% water. The bell in fried egg jellies measures about 60 centimeters, 24 inches in diameter. The transparent margin consists of 16 large lobes that alternate with small lobes, each lobe containing clusters of up to 25 tentacles. The lion's mane jellyfish is one of the largest jelly species in the world, growing to an average length of 5 feet 40 centimeters, but can reach lengths of 6.5 feet 200 centimeters. The lion's mane jellyfish is named after its mane of long, hair-like tentacles hanging from its bell. A translucent brown to reddish jellyfish with a thick mane of hundreds of long hair-like tentacles, the oldest of which are colored dark red. They have thick, frilled oral arms under the bell, most often brownish in color. It is the largest known jellyfish in the world. The body of the lion's mane jellyfish is characterized by an 8-lobed bell with 70 to 150 trailing tentacles. The color of the bell in smaller individuals ranges from light orange to tan, whereas that of larger specimens ranges from deep orange to dark crimson. Atala, also known as the Atala jellyfish or coronate medusa, is a species of deep-sea crown jellyfish, Scyphozoa coronatae. It lives in oceans around the world. Like many species of mid-water animals, it is deep red in color. The Atala jellyfish has evolved with some sophisticated adaptations of its own to this rayless environment. It is outfitted with a series of long tentacles, around 20 in number, with one long, trailing tentacle that is thought to facilitate capture of its prey. Each jellyfish species has different levels of toxicity. This Atala is quite poisonous to humans, where their sting may result in death. It may be found in Arctic, Antarctic, North Atlantic, and Pacific waters, usually 3,000 to 13,000 feet below the surface.